Congratulations, you've made it to the finish line. We're here with some tips to help you look and feel your best in your doctoral regalia on your commencement day. After you receive your gown, remove it from the packaging and hang it up. This will help to remove wrinkles as you cannot iron or dry clean your gowns. Steam can be helpful here. The doctoral gown is more elaborate in that it includes 2 velvet panels down the front and 3 velvet bars called chevrons on each sleeve. The hood is one of the most expressive parts of the graduation regalia. The hood signifies your school, degree level, and even field of study through the different colors of the lining. If you're wearing any stoles, remember that stoles go first, then your hood. You will also inspect your cap, which is called a tam. CUNY tams have 5 corners and look like floppy mortar boards with a golden tassel sewn into the fabric of the hat. The tassel should hang on the left side of your face, where the front part of the cap will sit comfortably on your head, but you may use bobby pins on the sides to secure it. As a doctoral candidate, you will be hooded on stage at commencement. When approaching the stage, carry your unbuttoned doctoral hood over your arm. When it is your turn to come to the stage, you will hand the name card you received at check-in to the reader, who will read your name as you walk across the stage. You should then hand your hood to the faculty member hooding you. Turn away from them and bend your knees slightly to make it easier to receive your hood. We will make every effort to take your photo while you're being hooded, so be sure to pose and smile. Once you're hooded, simply return to your seat for the rest of the ceremony. Want to make sure that you're wearing your hood the right way? We'll walk you through it. Start by identifying the tapered end, which has a neck cord, and place the hood over your head. To secure the hood, fasten the neck cord to a button on your shirt or dress. If you're wearing something without a button, you can secure it to the button that can be found inside your gown near your chest, or simply use a safety pin. The velvet side of your hood should be neatly visible in front of your neck. For this next step, feel free to enlist a friend or a family member. To make sure that the hood stays on your shoulders, fasten the second string on the back of the hood to the button on the opposite side, and be sure to fold out the wide satin bands to reveal the colorful lining. Here are some last tips to help you prepare. 1. On commencement day, be sure to arrive early and already dressed in your gown and tam. 2. Dress comfortably. And finally 3. Don't forget to smile. You did it! From all of us at the CUNY Graduate Center, we are so proud of you and can't wait to cheer you on at commencement.